Alright, what's going on? This is Karen from Tough Cuts. Prior to me joining 𝐦𝐤𝐤's online course for mastering blending techniques, I was using YouTube. But the YouTube tutorials, they don't really give you that much detail, nor do they be that long. I noticed for a while I was getting real stagnant with my cuts. Like, I wasn't really getting better, and I didn't really know why. I decided to go ahead and join and invest in my craft, invest in myself. And it was honestly like one of the best decisions I made. Like, his tutorials, they be like an hour long, sometimes longer. He goes into detail, really just breaking stuff down. He's giving you gems, he's giving you like techniques, and he really like educating you on like how to cut and how to do something. So like I saw progress real fast. As a result, my work just got better. I started getting more clients because they see me like from when I first started out to where I'm at now. And I owe that to 𝐦𝐤 for just giving me that foundation and just helping me get better. So yeah, shout out to 𝐦𝐤 for real.